KONE is a global leader in elevator and escalator industry, and we move 2 billion people every single day. Our customers demand real-time information, full transparency, and immediate responses everywhere. Partnering with Vodafone IoT helps us to reach our strategic ambitions for connecting all of our elevators and escalators, digitally enabling all of our technicians, and exceeding our growth targets.
We started with Vodafone IoT a bit over 10 years ago. KONE operate in a highly regulated industry, so we really needed to have a technology partner that understands the different requirements that we have in the local countries and still can provide us with global monitoring. We utilize Vodafone IoT SIMs in our connectivity devices. They send real-time data from the equipment to the cloud, where we then enrich it with our KONE metadata to get more insights and expose that to the customer. We have this 24/7 connected services solution, which is our predictive maintenance solution. So with that data, the customers see the health of their equipment, and then we are able to maintain or even increase the value of their assets. We utilize the real-time data also for our technicians, improving their user experience with the digital tools. And of course, at the same time, we are reducing the number of manual tasks and the unnecessary site visits.
When our customers succeed, we succeed. Vodafone IoT is a key partner because connectivity actually enables everything we do in service.
Having a global partner that helps us to scale is super important for KONE, to make the right choices, to provide us with the state-of-the-art technologies, to focus on what really matters, the customer value that we're generating. And that's why the relationship with Vodafone IoT is so important.